today. Those words I thought you'd never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be as much again? Oh no. Thank you, Kojik. I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no. Tonight I hope it could be right. Tomorrow I pretend to find and put it all behind. Wake and find that I am bound. You light my soul and find that I know how to let go. You just can't let go. How to get that feels like it will never be as much again. Oh no. Tonight I hope I could be right. Tomorrow I pretend to wake and put it all behind and find that I am trying to let you go. Okay ba yung mic, guys? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Ready for a getaway? Plan your trip effortlessly with the Trip.com app. Book flights, hotels, and attraction tickets all in.
Ang dami ko nang hiniraman pero wala daw sila extra. Need na need ko pa naman para sa operasyon ni Lola.
Need a helping hand?
Hello.
Sagot ka
Hello,
na.
hello, 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 hello.
Han, paano ba mag-apply
Bakit na?
dyan?
Madali lang. With just one valid ID, pwede ka na makahiram ng up to 50,000 pesos.
Bakit kaya ganun?
Mababa lang din ang daily interest rate na 0.025% at up to 9 months pa ang repayment terms.
Safe ba naman yan?
Oo naman, SEC registered si One Hand Cash, sure na safe at legit.
Paano ba mag-apply?
Hello,
Click
hello.
sa baba.
Oh, medyo
Download
basag
One
na eh,
Hand
no?
app.
Ano kayang problem? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it won't... Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Bakit kaya ganun? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Eto tayo. Hello. Hello. Is my best... Hello. Ba't parang basag na, no? Seems that it never changes. Hello, 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 hello. Wondering if we ought to say I had an out to turn. Ayan, okay na? Just once, can we figure out what we kept doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we've got open, and it seems at times with all we've got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we can do it wrong? Why the good times never last for long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Oh, to make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it. We could just get to it just once. Ayan. I want to understand. Ayan guys, hello? Why it always goes back to goodbye. And why can we get ourselves and be to one another? Rather go without each other. Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to get right? Oh, to make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it. Hello. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Oh, basag nga. We can get through it. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Wala, ganun talaga siya, guys. Walang magagawa dito, guys. Yan kaya. Hello. Ayan kaya. Okay na ba to? Tux, thank you, Tux. Thanks, Koji. Ayan, guys.
LSS with
Basag
the
talaga siya eh.
Please hit like, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Thank you!
Mali natin to, guys. Ayan. Okay na? Much better? Okay na? Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko di ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Guys, sabihin niyo pagbasag ulit ah. Kaya ngayon laging gulong-gulo ang puso ko't isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka, at sa tuwin ay nababalisa. Dahil ba ang puso ko labis na umiibig sa'yo, hanggang matitiis ang pag-ibig ko. Anong gagawin sa oras ng damdamin? Para bang hangin ay hirap pigilin? Sana'y ulagain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko di ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin ay hirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Thank you, Maureen. Thank you, Kojic. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Yeah. Guys. Okay, guys. Ano bang gusto niyong kanta? Ano bang gusto niyong kanta? Bakit pa ba? Okay. Bakit pa ba? Parang basag na naman, no?
Order food you love with Foodpanda. Download the app and order now.
Really low prices. Enjoy the preferential price of hot products. Save your cost. Come and buy it.
Status po. Status or statue? Ayaw ah. Nalilito ka. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yan. Papaalam ka dahil nasaktan kita. Nooy di makita mali ako. Ngayon'y alam ko na sa'yo'y nakasala. Sana muli ako'y mapatawad.